Hey everyone, my name's Mojda and I'm a UC Berkeley RA. Today we're going to be walking around UC Berkeley residence halls while I give you guys my top tips for your first year. Let's go. Never leave your room without this. This is your Cal 1 ID card and you're going to need it to get into your residence halls, elevators, and stairwells. You get it at move-in and my suggestion is put it in this ID card holder. You just tap in your card like this and we're in. Let's go. This is a standard triple room in one of the units. This is also one of the most common setups, so chances are your room is going to look like this as an incoming student. My first tip, definitely connect with your roommates before you arrive. I recommend making a group chat and a shared list with your notes app. That way you guys can coordinate on things like who's getting a rug, fan, or a kettle. Also, pro tip, you don't need to buy a vacuum cleaner. You can actually borrow one from your unit's front desk. Every room will come with a refrigerator, freezer, and a microwave. While most of your meals will be eaten in the dining commons, this station is a lifesaver for late night study sessions, keeping your favorite drinks cold, or just storing leftovers. A couple of weeks after move-in, you'll be asked to sign a roommate agreement. Just make sure you remember, you guys are all starting this new chapter of your lives together. So respect each other's differences, ask questions, and make sure you communicate any issues early. Now we're gonna check out the bathrooms. Right when you walk in, you'll see these lockers. You can use them to store any daily toiletries or anything like that. Just make sure you bring your own locks. Right across from there, you're gonna have the sink area with a ton of outlets so you can plug in any hair dryers or straighteners. Most bathrooms are gonna be all genders unless you live on a single gender floor, but don't stress out. You'll have a ton of privacy when it comes to changing clothes or showering. Then we have the restrooms in the shower area with full-length doors for maximum privacy. Another tip, shower sandals and a shower caddy are a must-have. My next tip is come say hi to your RAs. RAs like me are here to help you make the most of your campus life. Whether it be needing help finding clubs, maybe looking for some academic tips, or even just navigating roommate issues, we're here and trained to help you with it all. Your RA will let you know the best way to reach them. Some prefer a knock on their door, while others prefer a call or email. We also host events like community chats and floor events, which are perfect places to connect with your RA and meet some new people. My next tip is take advantage of something new and exciting. Doing your laundry at no additional cost. Laundry is actually now part of the housing rates, so when you want to get your clothes in, all you do is get on the app, start your cycle, and track when it's done. I definitely recommend bringing a laundry backpack, just like this one. They take up so much less space, and when you want to get your clothes in, all you can do is just throw it in with your clothes. Every residence hall has a unit front desk where you can pick up packages, get help if you get locked out, or just get your questions answered. You'll receive an email when it's time to pick up a package, and you also have some mailboxes for any letters you might receive too. Most residence halls have academic service centers where you can find tutoring for a ton of the main classes here at Berkeley. Let's say you're running behind on a class or two, and trust me, we've all been there. Take advantage of those tutoring sessions. They have amazing tutors for a ton of the classes at Berkeley, and who knows, you might bump into your new best friend. If you live in a residence hall on campus, you'll also have a UC Berkeley dining meal plan. This meal plan will let you eat at any of the dining commons while also other locations like cafes and markets. You'll also get flex dollars. You can use those ones on Grubhub. I recommend getting lunch and dinner with your GBO group for the first few days. If you happen to see someone sitting alone, invite them to join you. You might be wondering on how you're going to be making friends here at UC Berkeley. The advice I normally give as an RA, don't be scared to talk to someone new. Everyone here is just as nervous as you are, so a simple, hey, what's your name? Will get you a long way. One nice thing is that GBO groups actually tend to be in your residence halls, so you'll get to know your neighbors very quickly. GBO groups also tend to be where you end up making the most friends and new connections. RAs also plan a ton of fun events throughout the year. For example, last year I planned a Paws and Puppies Cafe where my residents got to take a break from finals, de-stress, make some matcha, and play with some puppies. Finally, to get the most out of your campus life, leave your room. There's so many great places to find your community both on and off campus. Be sure to check out some of the local favorites like Yogurt Park, Gypsies, or TPT. A little advice, find your favorite snacking spots in your first year. My personal favorite is those bubble waffles with ice cream in the middle from Godani Cafe. That's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any more questions, be sure to visit housing.berkeley.edu. Can't wait to see you here at UC Berkeley in the fall.